Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to switch from business account to personal account on Instagram using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for instagram.com. So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your Instagram account. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the three little lines at the lower left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings. Then here at the bottom part, you can see the Switch to Personal Account. You can see it on the left side of your screen below the Help right here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that. So here, when you switch back to personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all your content, including content and insights for promotions, will be permanently removed. Okay? So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on switch back. Okay, so now as you can see, instead of switch to personal account, it says switch to professional account. So that means your Instagram account is now on personal account. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.